Okay, the pulgar exercise is going to be like the spider exercise. We're going to do only on the 6, 5, and 4 string. We go to the fret number 5 with the index, middle, ring. If you see, all the fingers are still on the frets, okay? So we leave them pressing. Index, middle, ring. When I press with the pinky, I open only the index. Be careful, I don't want you to the rest. Only the index, really slowly, and control these movements. It's going to be the most difficult thing on this exercise. Index, middle, ring, and open the index when you press with the pinky. And when you press with the index on the 5 string, you open the rest one. Okay, it's just 2 movements. Index, pinky, index, rest of the fingers. Index, index. And now I go up. 5. Sorry. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 1. If you don't catch the movements, please let me know. I previous shot, okay? Index, I leave. Middle, I leave all of them. Ring, I leave all of them. You see on the frets, the 3 fingers. But when I press with the index, pinky, sorry, I open the index. And now when I go to the 5 and I press with the index, I open the rest of the fingers to get ready then for the next phase moment, okay? So let's make now the next video with the rhythm.